just like jump in and make sure nothing like falls over none of these boxes?
Right in it?
We were supposed to be there 30 minutes ago, dude. If you could just like, do me a solid. Do us a solid. It's like,
you'll be safe, man.
Yeah, man. We've
done it before.
All right. Let me pick up some speed right quick. All right. Watch this. Oh. Woo. You put your seatbelt on back there?
It's a little bumpy.
Here we are coming exactly back to where we were before. Will, are you doing okay back there?
What?
Look, don't freak out or anything, but it looks like the car is stalled. And we're kind of on some train tracks.
What? What are you talking about?
Don't worry though, man. It's okay. We're gonna go look for some help, okay?
Hey, open it up real quick. Hey guys. Hey, open it up. Alright. Hey, just open the door!
We're coming, Will! We're gonna get you out, man! We're coming, buddy!
You guys, open the door!
Train! I see it!
Lock it, stop! Come on. Hey!
I'm sorry, man! Will, I'm sorry! I'm sorry!
Oh, shit! Oh, my God! What the f***?
Woo!
Oh, you assholes!
Welcome to heaven. You're free! You're free!
Oh, right. Great.
You're sport, man.
You guys. But I gotta give it to you. I thought there was a train. I thought I was gonna die. Congrats.